Let's take the Jeep Avenger out for a spin and see how it performs. It features 3 driving modes: Normal, Sport, and Eco. Normal mode is perfect for everyday driving, while Sport mode unlocks the full power of the motor for a zippier performance. Eco mode helps conserve battery life by limiting power. In city driving, the Avenger is agile and responsive, making tight streets and parking easy to navigate. On the highway, it maintains a stable ride but might feel less powerful during acceleration or overtaking, especially when fully loaded. Its handling is solid, with a well-tuned suspension that reduces body roll and keeps the car steady through corners. However, larger 18-inch wheels can make the ride firmer on rough roads, which might impact comfort. The Avenger's regenerative braking system is mild but effective. It provides gentle deceleration in B mode, aiding smooth driving, while it doesn't offer the sharp one-pedal driving experience of some other EVs. It still helps in maintaining efficiency. It surprises with its off-road abilities. It boasts 200mm of ground clearance and shorter front and rear overhangs, helping it to tackle steep inclines and rough terrain better than many competitors. The drive modes for mud, snow, and sand optimize traction and stability, allowing it to handle various off-road conditions with confidence. The Avenger truly excels in urban environments. Its smooth ride quality, exceptional maneuverability, and impressive ground clearance make city driving pleasure. The well-turned suspension handles bumps and potholes with ease, ensuring comfortable and composed experience. Its compact size and high visibility are perfect for navigating tight spaces and crowded streets, making parking and maneuvering effortless. Even though the Avenger's highway performance isn't as dynamic, it still offers a solid driving experience. The vehicle maintains a comfortable ride, and its off-road capabilities provide an added sense of adventure. The unique design elements and stylish appearance ensure that the Avenger stands out in traffic. Overall, the Jeep Avenger's distinctive design, excellent city driving performance, and off-road readiness makes it a standout choice in the SUV segment. While it may have some limitations in high-speed scenarios and interior refinement compared to competitors, it shines as a stylish, practical, and versatile option for those who value urban functionality with touch of ruggedness. The Avenger's strength in daily driving and its eye-catching design help it make a strong case as a top contender. Thanks for watching our Jeep Avenger test drive. If you enjoyed the review, please like, share, and subscribe for more car content. Share your thoughts in the comments and let us know what you'd like to see next. See you soon.